Hey everyone, I'm Tyler with HAAS Stainless Cable Railing, and in today's video, I'm going to walk you through the best way to drill your holes for your wood post cable railing system. We post a ton of really helpful cable railing tutorials here on our YouTube channel, so be sure to hit that subscribe button. Many components in a cable railing system rely on clean and accurate holes in your wood post. So we're going to go over a few different types of bits and recommend the best ones to use. First up, we have your standard auger style bit. Auger style bits are common in construction and framing, and they also can be used to install cable railing. However, the downside of using an auger style bit is that you're not going to get the cleanest entry on the surface of your post, and also they can be a little bit more difficult to control than other options. Next up, we have a brad point bit. Brad point bits are excellent for cable railing since they make a very clean entry hole into the surface of your post. However, keep in mind they can still be a little bit difficult to control. Lastly, and what I personally recommend, are spur tip spade bits, or also known as paddle bits. Spur tip spade bits are going to give you the cleanest entry into the surface of your post, and also they're going to give you the best control when drilling your holes. Just a quick note, if you are drilling your holes for a metal post cable railing system, most metal bits will work completely fine, so choose the bit that you prefer. When installing your own cable railing system, you're going to need some sort of method to mark the posts for your holes that you're going to be drilling, and we recommend using a marking template. Here at HAAS Stainless, the marking template that we offer has hole marks spaced every 3 inches, which is going to abide by National Building Code. However, in your specific city or county, if you require a hole spacing that is larger or even smaller than 3 inches, you can easily make your own marking template at home. When it comes to drilling the holes in your post, we recommend 2 different methods. Either 1, freehand drilling your holes, or 2, using a portable drill press. Freehand drilling your holes may sound a little bit tricky at first, but it's very easy to do and is a lot more accurate than you might think. Freehand drilling your holes is going to be the fastest method for drilling, and the best part is there's no additional cost or setup required. On the flip side, using a portable drill press is a great option, since they'll give you very clean and accurate holes, especially when it comes to drilling angled holes. They do tend to take a little bit more time to set up. However, if a portable drill press is in your budget, then that might be the way to go. When it comes to portable drill presses, the best one is the one that you already have. But if you're looking to pick one up, we really like the Schrockler portable drill press. It's super sturdy and accurate, but if you're in the market for a drill press, then select the one that matches your budget and your needs. When freehand drilling your straight holes in either 4x4 or 6x6 post, we recommend drilling halfway from one side of the post and then halfway from the other so that the 2 holes meet. Doing this will ensure that you have accurate and clean entry holes on both sides of the post. To start off, go ahead and use your marking template to mark each side of the post for the holes that you'll be drilling. Set your drill to its highest speed. Put the tip of the drill bit right on your mark, and then center and level the bit to the best of your ability. Start drilling until your bit reaches about halfway through the post, and then drill all of your remaining holes on the same side of the post. Switch to the opposite side of the post and repeat the same process. You should end up with perfectly drilled holes running through your post. Freehand drilling your angled holes can be a little bit tricky at first. However, with a little bit of teamwork, I think you'll find that it's not that difficult. Start off by marking your holes on each side of the post. Then use a speed square or similar tool to carry each mark over to the side of the post facing your stair tread. Connect the 2 marks with a pencil. You should end up with several lines running down the face of your post that match the pitch and angle of your handrail. The next step is where some teamwork is needed. Grab a friend and have them act as your spotter, ensuring that you maintain the correct angle for the holes that you're drilling. If you're the person drilling, place the tip of the drill bit on the mark for your hole. The person spotting will instruct you to either tilt the drill up or down until the shaft of your drill bit is in line with the mark on the side of your post. Once you've drilled halfway through your post, Repeat the same process for the corresponding mark on the opposite side of the post, so that both holes meet and make one continuous hole. Remember when using this method to take your time and maintain good communication with your spotter. If you'd like to learn more about installing cable railing, click on the link to the right to watch our cable rail basics video, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like. I'm Tyler with HAAS Stainless. Thanks for watching.